Not applicable? I remove it. Not applicable. If it's not applicable,
We are not saying not applicable. It's a different department.
Different department.
You
but
should
not
ask the
drilling.
production team.
okay. I think for this case, I am putting restriction because we do not know.
Mr. Khalid, the well operation Gladwin, anything they can say it?
I'm not
Yeah.
sure, but
Great. Then yes, maybe we can look into it, and we need to restrict it into certain area.
Yeah, yeah, true,
We have 15.7 meter
Absolutely.
identified, depending on this thing. But the lower Zakum is sour environment. We might have to
Yeah.
increase the radius. Upper Zakum was a sweet oil environment.
And if you are not expecting this job during construction, why to take it? So
That's what
I
I'm
am-
saying. Depending on the objective, if the objective is drilling, construction CMOPs, maybe this is not applicable at this stage. But
Yeah,
the
yeah.
construction continue. If the construction to be continued.